Hi everyone, welcome to this AI weekly news updates. So today, 1st of March, let's see what's happening in the world of AI and technology. This one, OpenAI shifts from Microsoft to SoftBank. So like OpenAI, they used to have this exclusive contract with Microsoft, so to be just provided through the Microsoft Cloud. And now this contract is actually just OpenAI forecast a major shift in the next 5 years. Computer power, expect to get 3/4 of the data center capacity from Stargate. Overall cost are set gross. So it's just more, I would say, flexibility for OpenAI to be offered through other cloud provider. We may start to see this OpenAI through other cloud provider as well. DeepSeek to open source part of its online service code. So DeepSeek started to just provide more, I would say, open source offering. So that's part of that initiatives as well. OmniServe LLM deployment GE3 Pro, so unified and efficient inference engine for large scale LLM serving. So this is more like a kind of framework that can be used to enable efficient inference for LLMs. We have some other frameworks as well, but I think this OmniServe is just trying to just make it unified, so you can just run any sort of LLMs, which is optimized and efficient, which is the most important things for running LLMs. It's a Python package. I'm gonna share this, but this year, yeah, it's just also a theme I would see that we are seeing in the world of AI, that we are having more and more frameworks to enable efficient inference for this large language model. CUDA for Python programming. Microsoft prepare for OpenAI GPT-5. So the expectation for OpenAI to release the GPT-5 is, I think, May this year. So OpenAI next frontier model. Come on, I don't want to get access to this. Okay, Microsoft is getting ready. I don't care. ChatGPT reaches 400 million. Not much. This will be bring Apple intelligent powers by priority notification. Wow, it's a big priority notification to help user to manage notification by prioritizing important alerts and minimizing distraction from less important ones. What a feature! Wow. Microsoft outsource, we already discussed. AI LLM and observability from Google Director. LLM chat app, the test for junior devs, CSS 0. Google new AI model wheel. Not much here. Robotics launch new model that think as long as you want. It's just the reasoning. So this having this reasoning model is a theme for this year as well, because reasoning model is going to be the backbone for all these agentic workflow, and we are seeing more and more of these model provider trying to release their reasoning model. So we have Robotics, which is Claude Sonnet is their reasoning model. DeepSeek is DeepSeek R1. Then OpenAI is the O1 model. then Gemini is the Gemini Flash, I think. So you can see, like, and I'm expecting even like Meta is also going to release its reasoning model. Real-time answer, the brother effort. Yeah, that was the news for this. Yeah, Cloudy model. To be honest, I'm a passionate of the whatever that Cloudy is actually releasing. The model is amazing, I would say. So last week we have the Grok. Now is Cloudy Sonnet. So you see, like O3 Mini R1, which is from DeepSeek, and then Grok Think. It's just a reasoning model. That's what actually the majority of AI use cases for future needs. And yeah, Probiotic is launching that. Perplexity is a web browser called Comet. Yes, Comet. Just sorry, search for inventing the browser. Perplexity browser. I think it's more like an agentic based browser. Deep research. So yeah, we already have this deep research. Yeah, it's agentic one. So you can see again another release for the agentic workflow. Cloudy Code. Cloudy Code is an agentic coding tool in your terminal. Understand your code base and help. I was actually seeing a quick demo. Hopefully we can find it through this news, but it was amazing. So it's just more like Cloudy Code is going to be like an agent that you're going to install and then have it as part of the terminal, and then it actually go through your code base, it understand it, and then you can start to ask it to just do the development for you. It's amazing. I may just try to just have a demo on that one. Let's see. Big's Alexa. Yeah, also Amazon actually released the Alexa Plus, I think, and the new assistant. You know, like old Alexa was terrible, to be honest. But I think now they're trying with this Alexa Plus, they're trying to make it a little bit better. A new Alexa. You see, it has been re-architected. I use Titan and put it on Probiotic Cloud. Okay, so most probably it's cloudy because Titan is not the model that they expected to be, but then okay, I think it should be good, so, because now it's based on LLM. I'm expecting that it's gonna be more effective. Not much. Next one. Cloudy Sonnet and Cloudy Code. So from Cloudy, we already discussed both of them. Is there like an article? Yeah, this is Cloudy. Just an article for both Cloudy Sonnet and both for yeah, I think this is the.
Should we be doing like Big Smile or
No, Big Smile.
one of which we're sharing today? We're launching Claude Code as a research preview.
So we have a project here. It's a Next.js app. Let's open it up in an instance of Claude Code. Now that we've done this, Claude Code has access to all the files in this repository. We don't know much about this codebase. It looks like an app for chatting with a customer support agent. Let's get Claude to help explain this codebase to us. Claude starts by reading the higher level file. Cool, here's its final analysis.
And we can see how it's decided to tackle this problem as well. I'll try out the new chat button.
Let's ask asking for permission to run commands. Results, it continues with its plan until all tests pass. Claude identified build errors and
Description for changes. That's it.
So yeah, it actually just go through the code base and then it understand it. Then you can start to ask, and it actually just go through a like iteration until it makes sure that the code that is developed is passing the test and also can be pushed to production. Amazing. I like it. I like it. So both Sonnet, I think the cloud code is also based on Sonnet. And based on that reasoning model. Again, you see, we are actually just moving toward this world of everything is agentic. And I'm expecting more than 80% of AI use cases is agentic. And then imagine if we can run those models on CPU instead of GPU. And then you can say what's going to happen for my friends in NVIDIA. They may start to just go back and just build graphic card again. Wow, not GPU. Anyway, uncertainty in neural network. DeepSeek is rushing to get its next gen R2 model sooner than expected. We are waiting for that DeepSeek because R1 still there are like some, I would say, bugs and issues. I think R2 is going to be much better. It's playing Pokemon on Twitch. Get coding help from Gemini Code Assist. Man, it's amazing how all these providers are actually just working in the same kind of categories. So currently what I'm saying is just this reasoning model that every model provider is trying to just provide a model, the code assistant, which is like the code, cloud code that we went through now, Gemini Code Assist. Also the multimodal LLMs, a model that can understand different modalities like image, text, videos. And these are like kind of like a theme that actually they just follow, and they and also deep research. Deep research is another one that you can see, like OpenAI, Google, Cloudy. All of them are research capability, multimodal LLM capability, reasoning capability, and code assistant capability. All of them are trying to just show their model that can have those access. Deep research problem, you can see. OpenAI deep research available to paying users. I think now everyone across the world can use this deep research. Cloud extended thinking mode. So still Cloud is 3.7. I think it's another article. Qatar signed deal with the Scale AI to use AI to boost government service. Scale AI. I think this Scale AI is also another of those GPU as a service provider. We name all these GPUs, and then there are like two other FPGA and also ASICs. We name all of them as accelerated compute. I already have like a number of videos about the accelerated compute. Go and just check those out to better understand that these hardware accelerator that are the foundation for the AI infrastructure. Multimodal reasoning model, R1 vision. So you know, like most of those reasoning model, like Claude Sonnet as an example, or Gemini Flash. I'm not sure Gemini Flash. I don't think it's multimodal. Most of them are text to text, which is one single modality. This R1 vision is just trying to provide that reasoning capability for multimodal, for different modalities. They just go through. It's worth checking this one out. Designed to tackle complex. Yeah, integrate visual text data to offer precise information. Awesome. Not much. Amazon subscription-based Alexa Plus looks highly capable. You see Alexa Plus, based on Cloudy's model. So Instagram may launch separate Rails app to take on TikTok. Okay, so they're gonna separate their Rails part from those photo and just make it one, kind of like similar to TikTok. Video iPhone Boomber reaches partner like Dell at a cost. Podcast viewers. Says grows 78% on AI demand. Company gives a strong value. Yeah, still for sure we still see demands for GPUs, but then one thing that I notice a lot of customers and companies are looking for is just some things that can enable that efficient and cost-effective AI infrastructure. So they are not ready to pay whatever the provider asks. They're looking for like a cheaper option. To launch dev container for IDE. Alexa Plus, ElevenLabs, speech to text. This ElevenLab, this is startups that provide text-to-speech kind of voice clone, and apparently they are releasing a new speech-to-text the other way around. Censored, unflattered mention of Trump and Musk. Okay, I wouldn't be surprised if you see such a case. QWQ Max preview. Q1 has previewed the reasoning model. You see, this is I think for Alibaba, their reasoning model. Q1LM, their reasoning model. System 2 thinking LM. So one reasoning model like their step-by-step logical reasoning capabilities and benchmark. Okay, from system 1 to system 2. I think this is more like because yeah, I haven't seen any sort of frameworks to compare the reasoning models and benchmark that. I think this article is just more around how we can think of benchmarking and comparison when it comes to the reasoning model. I will just include that link. Look if you are interested. AI safety evaluation. So you know, like when we have any sort of AI model, there are like different domains that we usually care when we want to evaluate the model. Like let's say accuracy is one of the key one, but then we have domain like safety, which is more around the way that the generated output, whether it actually have hated or any sort of wording which may not be acceptable for society. And then this AISafetyLab, a comprehensive framework for AI safety evaluation and improvement. So what it has: defense, score, attack method. Oh, sorry. This is more like around more about the security rather than just the defense method, inference time defense. Yeah. Oh, it's just from the security aspect. It's a good one. I haven't seen such a things before. Attack, implement various attack method include along with the configuration exam. Defense, content defense mechanism. Evaluation, multiple evaluation method. Model, manage both local model and API utils. It's just more the way a model or an AI system reacting. You see, this is because model, all these data set and logging, then we have this AI model. The evaluation is happening, I think, through some of these LLM. There will be the attack and then the defense. I think this is going to be good when you are trying to leverage any of these AI model within your app. So you can use this framework to check its safety. I like it. Cloud AI Power, Alexa Plus, we already discussed. Microsoft reveals new fee models optimized for multimodal processing. I think fees also from Microsoft is just more like a kind of small LLMs which can be used, and this is the multi-LLM capability for free. Let's see. Today, the Face Edition. That is complicated enough to run on mobile. This is more like kind of for edge AI use cases. It's a small LLMs, and then now they're trying to add, I think V is more like some things that can be used on devices, and they're trying to add these multimodal LLMs capability. Science. Not much here. Interactive comparison. Also, I think OpenAI also released GPT 4.5, which is, I think, what they claim is the last traditional model that they have. Keeping in touch. Yeah, I will include this link. Not have much enough, so let's just finish. Yeah, this is the card, the beta card for GPT 4.5. All these technical details that you need, you can find it here. The evaluation from different data set and all those things that you need. Aria Gen 2, the next generation mixed reality glasses from Meta, have a strong vision capability. Aria Gen 2.
Of a new generation of artificial intelligence that has a better understanding of who you are and makes possible new advancements in robotics. Project Harrier, from the outset, was designed to begin a revolution around always-on human-centric computing. We're
and as soon as you do that, you move away from
processes.
Together, we can unlock an understanding of what it is to experience reality as we do.
So, it's just a smart glass. Let's see what it actually offers. Ultra low power, all-day usability, interaction through audio. You know, like Google started their smart glass back in 2012. It was a failed project, but now with all these LLMs capability, I think now these smart glasses we will see more and more, because now they are mature enough to help and provide offerings to the user. Uncertainty, change of tone, diffusion, studio, platform. That's all for this week. I hope you enjoy it. I will try to add all those links in the description. Just check it out if you are interested to learn about any of these updates for this week. Stay tuned. See you next week.